What if you could save money every month without cutting coffee, without canceling Netflix, and without changing your lifestyle?
Sounds impossible? It's not. Let me show you how.
You don't have a spending problem. You have a system problem. Money comes in, money goes out. Savings gets whatever is left, and usually nothing is left. The moment your salary arrives, move 10 to 20% to savings immediately. If you automate savings, you remove emotion. Set automatic transfers. When you don't see the money, you don't miss it. Open your last 30 days of transactions. Look for small leaks, subscriptions, delivery fees, random app charges. Fix them. Spent $43, transfer $7 to savings. Spent $88, move 12. Small amounts feel invisible, but they grow fast. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. Most impulse purchases lose power by tomorrow. Delay kills unnecessary spending. Divide your spending money weekly. Transfer only that amount. When it finishes, stop. No stress, no guilt, full control. Salary increased? Increase savings too. Even 1 or 2% more makes a huge long-term difference. Grow quietly. Saving money is not restriction, it's freedom. Savings means less stress, better decisions, and more confidence. Start today. Pick just one method and apply it right now. Small actions every month create big financial security.
Subscribe for more smart money strategies. See you in the next video.